Catholic School Principal, Mr. Ferdinand R. Ruyan, Sir Dr. Benji R. Gapate, our PTA President, Sir Dr. Maria Salome R. Abero, Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Ma'am, generous donors, supportive parents, committed teachers, fellow graduates, visitor, and all, a joyous morning. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode of our lives, elementary school life. Now, we are about to start a new chapter of our journey. Jose Rizal once said, "The youth is the hope of the motherland." We studied in San Vicente Integrated School so we could equip with adequate knowledge and skills in preparation for the important role we have to play in the society someday. And most especially, to turn into reality the prophecy of our national hero, that we indeed can be the hope of our beloved country. Now, I could simply say that we are empowered and productive students that could face new challenges towards new horizon. For I believe that we are now equipped from all the things we need, based from the experiences and trainings we had undergone from our alma mater. My dear co-graduates, the first step had been successful. Ika nga, the fruit it bears is bitter, but the fruit it bears is very sweet. The journey is long and laden with thorns, but our accomplishments in this school are very rewarding. Our graduation today is the first of the series of our accomplishments that we will surely achieve with the guidance of our parents and people around us. Everything in this world has a beginning. In our case, we have just accomplished the beginning. We have started the first strike move. Hence, there is no reason why we should fail in our future undertakings. I would like to thank God first and foremost